everybody, today I'm showing you another I'm showing you my Ben 10 Diamond Force collection and the original show. So today I'm showing you a Ben 10 collection. Don't be mad because I have only 80 toys, so don't disagree with my video. The first toy is Victory. I have Victory. He is one of my favorite alien. Here he is. And this is him without his wing. His wing is not covering his head. Maybe. This is Victory. So my second toy is Roll of Mustafa Echo. So this is Victory and Roll of Mustafa Echo. And here is Stinkfly. So this is Stinkfly. Yeah. And this is the ultimate Echo Disc alien, and this is the original Echo. And this is the Spider Monkey. Here he is. Without his tail. I lost his tail. I don't know where his tail is. I will try to find where it is. And this is some of you will not find these toys in their country, and I found it in Toys R Us. It comes with a little box like that. That when you open it, you don't know what's inside it. So it's like this. When you buy this one, it's covered with this. And it's a surprise, so when you open it, you don't know what's inside, and you will get Swampfire unlocked. So this is Swampfire. And from the alien creation, Walter Hazard. It's a minifigure alien creation. And this is the Ben 10 when he was 10 years old. He comes with a skateboard that you can lift him with. That you can lift him with. And also Ultimate Swampfire. It came with Water Hazard. It's alien creation. Here. So this is my toy list and more. I have Ben 10. Another Ben 10 when he was 10 years old. You will kind of move his leg, and his hand will go to the arm track. And you can change his transformation. Now his XLR8. You can him. This is Diamond. Shit. This is Diamond Head. And you'll get also another area. No. What is it is? Yeah, Heat Blast. This one. This is Upchuck from Duncan when he was 10 years old. He comes with balls that he puts here, and you press to have a failure. You pull it down, and you shoot the ball. And also the box. Humongous Warning figure. It comes also with this. Also, Thomas Stone. It also comes with this. With the box. And Jet Ray. And finally, Jet Ray, it also comes with this. So it is Jet Ray. And this is my house. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be making a video for Armadillo, for Armadillo, or Ultimate Spider-Man, or Ultimate Humongous. Or I will do also the minifigures after tomorrow. So have a nice day. Bye.